Hey there, if you've got an auto body part supplier business and you're looking for a website for your business, you certainly are in the right place today. So keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to build websites on the Mighty Sites platform. The Mighty Sites platform is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's that simple. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've registered an account, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. Usually I'd go ahead and search at the top for my market, but I can see it right here, auto body part supplier. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's tell Marty starts a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for our business. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't quite matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my auto body part supplier business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use, by the way. However, I'm sure you've got some awesome images of different components of your business, maybe some of the parts or some of the vehicles you have worked on, and you want to showcase it on your website. You can do that. It's super simple. To use the platform, you don't need to know any sort of coding, you don't need to be a web developer or professional. And you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not so tech savvy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do that today in this video. I'm going to go ahead and head to the top section and click on update section. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and pop in my email address so my customers can easily get in touch with me. I want to make sure that box is ticked underneath to display my email address on my website. Let's go ahead and pop our phone number in, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my physical location, my street address. Great thing about that physical location, when your website is live and your customers click on that website, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions. Let's head on over to update social links. Over here, you can pop in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as at the bottom. I'm now going to go ahead and update my logo to display it on my website. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has now been uploaded. If you want to make some minor amendments to it, crop it to fit into the section better, add filters, zoom in, rotate it, go ahead and click on the little pencil. Otherwise, go ahead and click save. You can make it bigger and smaller on the right. Now, with Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you used throughout your website. If you want to change it to go with your branding a little bit better, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little pen bucket on the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. You can change it at a later stage as well if need be. Now, for each section that you want to amend, go ahead and click on update section directly underneath. I'm now going to go ahead and show you how to update the images. If you've got your own images, go ahead and browse under this section over here and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. Now, you do need to play around with the keywords just a tad, as you can see. So let's go ahead and search for auto body and see what pops up. There we go, lots of suitable images now. For each section with the content, click on update content. Buttons can link to various places if you wish. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website if necessary, or an action, or even upload a PDF file with your brochure or catalog, maybe current promotions and offers you are offering. Awesome. Look at that. It looks really fantastic. And the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you, the lead form. All they need to just put their details in and click send. You will get notified via your email that you have a new lead via the form. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain, go through the various steps and linking it. If you don't have a domain, you click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Over here, you're in your Mighty dashboard. This as well is where you can find the leads for that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. If you have any suggestions, features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd absolutely love to hear your feedback.